Hello, my name is Tommy Nguyen, and I am recording my demo for Project 5 for CS387 taken at Drexel University. So here we're showing procedural content generation for a map for the game A4 Aventura. So first here I've written a script to generate the .tmx file, which is used to create the maps for the game engine. So by default, I am just going to run Python, and then I have this script called PCG map, which takes various command line arguments used in the procedural generation. But here, by default, we're just going to use the seed 0 with the default sizes for the map. And oops, it would help if I'm in the right directory. And also if I didn't make typos. But here we get this new file called map.tmx. And then also as a debugging output, it produces this file called test, which shows the map itself. So actually here, if I actually go and highlight the tile code 57, we can see kind of what the map looks like. But better than showing you that, let's move this map object into the game engine. We'll replace the existing map. And then here, if I reload and play the game, you can see here that we actually have the maze, the dungeon that was created by our procedural content generation. So it uses a method similar to Splunky, which starts off in this top row here, and then determines which direction the path to the end room, which direction to take to move towards the end room or the exit room. And it will procedurally generate a path to the end room until we get to the very bottom of a 4x4 grid. And then it'll mark the room as the exit room, which we see here is designated by this room with a different set of tiles in the center. To show that this works for different kinds of map, I am going to generate a new map with the seed 213. This is a map that I was testing earlier, and it had a pretty decent generation. Right? And so if we go back here, reload the game, we see that we actually have a different map. So here we have this path to the right that gets generated, which is actually not the solution, not on this path to the end. And then if we go down, we can see here that this downwards path actually gets to the solution here. And there's actually even a branching set of rooms to the right. So this sets up the base map generation that we can use to build upon for the rest of the game. You can imagine that we can procedurally generate items and enemies that are contained within each room. And the rest of the map is actually accessible, but these raw walls, you can't break them. But you could imagine replacing these walls with walls that you could break, again, leading to more procedural generation for the game. So that was the demo. Thank you.